This video I will show you how to give tips on OnlyFans. So if you want to give a tip to a user or creator on OnlyFans, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going over to our OnlyFans app, or you can also do this from the browser, and then go to the profile or the person that you want to give a tip. So let's say this one here at the top. Then we're going to click on this option send tip in here. And if you do not see this option in here, then it is probably because you haven't added a payment method to your account. So first of all, go ahead and make sure that you have added a payment method in your account, and then you are able to click on this option. So go ahead and click on this. Then you can enter the amount of the tip that you want to send in here, and then you will see what you will pay, including the VAT and stuff like that. Then you can select the payment method, or you can add a new card. You can also add a comment, and then you can click on send tip. And once you do that, you will go through the process of sending this tip eventually. So in here you will have time to authorize the payment. So right now you will be redirected to your payment app, and in there you can just authorize this payment, and then your tip will be sent. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.